Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play chess.com on your personal computer. To begin, simply open your favorite web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to the chess.com website. Once there, you can easily create a new free account or log in if you already have one. This grants you immediate access to a vast world of chess, offering countless games and learning opportunities right at your fingertips. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard, which is your central hub. Here, your current chess rating and recent game results are clearly visible. On the left side, a user-friendly menu provides quick access to all the site's features. You will find distinct sections for playing games, engaging in lessons, solving puzzles, and connecting with the global chess community. It is designed for intuitive use. Ready to play? Simply click on the Play button, usually found prominently on the left menu or main screen. You can then select your preferred game type, such as live chess, and customize settings like time controls from 1 minute to 30 minutes or more. You can also specify an opponent rating range. With your preferences set, click Play again, and the system will swiftly match you with another player. Chess.com offers extensive resources to help you improve your game. Dive into thousands of interactive lessons covering every aspect of chess, from opening theory to end-game strategy. Challenge yourself with millions of unique puzzles and tactical trainers. After each game, utilize the powerful analysis tools to review your moves, understand mistakes, and learn from them. Joining clubs and forums also provides a great way to connect and grow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.